Hi all, in this video we are going to see about TCLSH scripting. First of all, what is TCLSH scripting? In the sense, if you're having a more number of routers or more number of switches, you just want to check the reachability. In that case, instead of pinging for a particular IP address or for a set of IP address in a different way, that is, you just want to ping it separately, we can just run a script in a one way so that all the IP addresses will be reachable. This can be done using a TCLSH command in Cisco devices. Okay, let's get into the configuration. This is our setup. This is the scenario that we are going to do, and these are the tasks that is to be completed. We just want to configure an IP address and try to ping each IP address and confirm the reachability, run the script, and check the reachability once again. That's what we are going to do. And this is our topology. Okay, let's get into the configuration part. Just check the interfaces. Okay, interfaces are up. Interfaces are up. Okay, everything seems to be fine. Next, I just want to ping a couple of routers, couple of IPs. Okay, it's reachable. This is also reachable. Then you can just ping this IP, loopback IP over here. Okay, and here I'm just pinging this IP. Okay, you can just confirm once again from here as okay. And then okay, from here it's router 1, and then this is also reachable. This is also reachable. And 2.1. So far so good. Everything is reachable. Now what we are going to do is we are just going to run a TCLSH script to check all the reachabilities are working fine. Okay. First, TCLSH. This is the command. First, we just want to enter into the TCL mode. Then, you can see this much of things that can be used. But for checking the reachability, there's a hidden command. We're not going to use any of these commands. There's a hidden command for this. This is the command over here for each address. If you just type this, there will be an error. It will be showing as error. So you have to make sure you are just giving a open bracket over here, so that it will ask for the IP address that is to be given over here. So I'm just giving a couple of loopbacks. So this is this interface loopback. This IP should be ping. This IP should be ping 2.1 and then 3.1. These are the IP address that is to be ping, that is to be checked. Then I'm closing this bracket. Okay. And then once again I'm just opening. What I'm doing is what is the action that is to be do for this IP address? That's what I'm going to do. So the action to be done is ping dollar address and close it. That's it. You can check for all the routers. This is how you need to check for IP that is TCLSH for reachability for other routers. Okay, you can just check it over here also, TCLSH. Then for each IP address, this is a hidden command. You just want to type, it will not by pressing a tab it will not come. Okay, for each address, don't forget to use the open bracket or else it will be showing sort of error. So then we just want to give the IP address that or to be checked. Then 16.1.1 and here is 3.1. Okay, we are just closing it, just opening. What is the action that is to be given? It's ping address, and that's it. It will show all the reachability. And now from here, you can also check for a trace route. That's what I'm going to show you in router C. So for this also we have to do TCLSH. Then we just want to give which are the IP address that is to be given for each address. Open the bracket, and what is the IP address that is to be trace routed? We can just give it 172.16.1.1 and 172.16.2.1. Okay, just closing it, opening it, and what is the action? The action is trace route, and this is the address. That's it. It will give you the information how to reach the tracing for 1.1. It will go via this interface, and for tracing for 2.2, it is been going from this interface and again to this interface. This is how it works. So by using this, instead of checking for each and every router, we can just run the script in one router. If you're having a 10 or 15, 20 routers, if you want to check for every router, instead of checking 5, entering a command each and every time, you can just run the script. The script will be very simple. You can just run it. You can just check its reachability. You can go to the other router, check for whether it is reachable from the other end. You can just check it. So this is how it works. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time.